Never get stuck with a dead battery again. Check out the best-selling jump starters that pack powerful performance, portability, and reliability to get you back on the road in seconds. Perfect for cars, trucks, and even emergency situations. Starting at number 1. AVAPOW Car Jump Starter. The AVAPOW 2000A portable car jump starter delivers powerful performance in a compact package, capable of jump-starting 12V vehicles with engines up to about 8L gas or 6.5L diesel. Besides its robust peak current to revive dead batteries, it doubles as a portable power bank with USB Quick Charge 3.0 to fast-charge phones and other devices, and includes a built-in LED light with emergency modes for roadside use. Intelligent safety protections keep every jump simple and secure. Number 2. STANLEY J509 Portable Power Jump. The STANLEY J509 delivers dependable jump-starting power with up to 1000 peak amps and 500 instant starting amps, enough to revive most 12V car and truck batteries in roadside emergencies. It's designed with safety in mind, featuring a reverse polarity alarm that alerts you to incorrect clamp connections. A 270 degrees rotating LED work light helps you see in the dark, and the built-in 12V DC outlet and USB port can charge small devices while you wait. The unit recharges easily using a standard household extension cord, sold separately, and benefits from STANLEY's rugged build quality for reliable use. Number 3. AstroAI S8 Car Battery Jump Starter. The AstroAI S8 is a compact yet powerful portable jump starter with up to 1500 A peak current, designed to quickly restart 12V vehicles with engines up to 6.0L gas or 3.0L diesel, ideal for cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and more. It features a smart boost mode that detects low battery voltage and helps start deeply discharged batteries, plus metal safety clamps and multiple protections to keep you safe while jumping. The unit also doubles as a USB power bank and includes a multi-mode LED flashlight, steady, strobe, SOS, making it a versatile roadside companion. Number 4. DEWALT Z14 Digital Portable Jump. The DEWALT Z14 is a rugged, all-in-one portable power station featuring up to 1,600 peak amps of jump-starting power, enough to start most cars and even V8 engine vehicles. It includes a built-in 120 psi digital air compressor with auto-stop and sure-fit nozzle for inflating tires, sports gear, and more, plus 15W USB-A and 25W USB-C ports to charge your devices on the go. Safety features like reverse polarity protection and a helpful LCD display with real-time info make roadside use easier and safer, while heavy-duty metal clamps and a bright LED work light add durability and convenience. Number 5. GOOLOO A3 Jump Starter Air Compressor. The GOOLOO A3 is a high-power portable jump starter that delivers up to 3000 A peak current to quickly restart dead 12V batteries, supporting engines up to 9.0L gas and 6.5L diesel, so you can get moving again fast. It also features a built-in 150 psi digital air compressor with multiple inflation modes and auto shutoff, making it handy for tire inflation and more. Beyond jump-starting and inflation, the A3 doubles as a portable power bank and includes a multi-mode LED flashlight/SOS light plus comprehensive safety protections to keep you secure during roadside tasks.